Hey everyone, Paul Akers. A lot of you have seen the videos that I've shot about my mom. She's 92 years old, still lives at home. She's in her walker, getting around. She is just amazing. Well, Seating Matters in Ireland, the brothers there, Ryan, Martin, and Jonathan, they are just amazing. They're making these awesome chairs for elderly people who have to spend a fair amount of time sitting down. Well, they offered to make one for my mom. And frankly, when they told me, I said, well, you know, what's a chair gonna do? Why does that really matter? And I was a little skeptical. But they went ahead and made an amazing chair for my mother and actually even shot a video of the whole process, how it was being made. It was just like unbelievable. Shipped it all the way from Ireland to San Diego, and my mom got the chair and she loves it. Well, we did a couple quick outtakes of what my mom thought of the chair, and I put that together recently in an hysterical video because my mom pops off with some real winners. And in this quick little video clip that you're gonna watch now, you're gonna see her come up with some hysterical little comic acts, if you will. But at the end of the day, she just wanted to say thank you to everyone at Seating Matters and Ryan and Martin and Jonathan for the amazing work and their entire team, because this chair has frankly changed her life. She sits absolutely perfect. Her posture's right on. The chair has been custom made for her, so she's not slumping at all. It is really awesome. I would have never thought that a chair could make a difference, but it did. And here's my mom telling about her new custom chair that Seating Matters made for her. Hey, and if I can say so myself, thank you. You guys are awesome.
You ever gonna get out of that chair, Yaya?
No, I don't think so. This is my chair.
Okay, Yaya, what's your favorite thing about the chair?
That it fits me comfortably.
How does it feel, Mom?
Oh, it feels soft to my ass.
That's good. You didn't think it was going to be this nice, did you?
Well, I kind of figured if it was Paul's friend that it would be nice. I like the colors, I love everything about it, and I can't believe that these people would actually go out of their way to send a chair for someone they don't even know.
Aw.
It's hard to believe that I did something right in life, that I got my own chair, and it's not the electric chair. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm a good person. You don't believe it, do you?
I do.
Yeah, I am a good person. I haven't done anything bad in my life. Thank you. Thank you, Seating Matters. Seating Matters.
Okay, how about slowly? Seating Matters.
Sriracha. 34 spicy years.